sketched out some ideas for my stencils. These are inspired by traditional Hungarian floral designs. I want these stencils to be symmetrical, so I will draw half the design along a line. I will then fold along that line and cut. I do this for all my designs. When I'm done, I have something resembling symmetrical flowers. I'll be using these pieces of card to make my stencils. I want 2 copies of one of these designs, so I'm going to fold a piece of card in half, and I can draw out and cut the design once. I begin to transfer the templates onto the card, building up the designs as I go. Continue making adjustments until I'm satisfied. I then begin the laborious task of cutting out all the stencils. And the stencils are complete. Join me in the next video when I'll be using these bad boys on my kitchen cupboards.